Not trespassing, folks. This is the Crossmolina spur from Ballina station, and yes, I have one of those on my layout. It was part of the Hornby Christmas Coca-Cola set. Now it just lacks the details with the red turn thing and the warnings, but yeah, I have one of them, and yes, it is used. It is my one is actually used to carry a GoPro. So there you have it, folks. And there's some better details. That was, for instance, made in 1970. It looks like 1974, but it could be 1976. There, that's maxed out. Sambrit Meuse engines, France. And it was made in 1974. So it's that is 50. That's a 50. They're 50 years old. And there's a vestige of CIE 105, whatever that. So I'm not trespassing. So there's the pipe at the end and the hook and the connector. Of course, that's different on toy trains like my Hornby. It's just a kind of it's a hook. And frankly, I wish they would have done that for the Hornby Stevenson's rocket, because, well, that's it's just insane trying to connect them. So folks, I am not trespassing. I'm on the public footpath. It's the signpost. And they've done away with the Éire Northern sign, which I liked. So anyway, there you go.